Did you know that your skin is your body's largest organ? It's also your first line of defense against environmental pollutants and UV exposure, which can lead to dryness, fine lines and wrinkles, and even premature aging. So how can you help bolster your skin's internal defenses against external stressors? By supporting 3 vital aspects of skin health: hydration, collagen production, and protection against everyday oxidative stress. With the latest research in hand, our experts created our daily 3-part nutrient booster for beautiful, healthy skin, Daily Skin Defense. Formulated with a science-based extract blend, Daily Skin Defense supports your skin barrier, helping you lock in moisture, fend off oxidative stress at the cellular level, and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Your skin protects you. It's time to return the favor with the comprehensive support of Daily Skin Defense from Life Extension.